Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to discuss about map. In Go, map is an unordered pairs of key and value. We can declare map of int key and int value like where my map square bracket int. In square bracket int is key and second int is value. In map, key should be comparable using double equal to operator. We mostly use inbuilt data type of Go for key. For example, int, float 32, float 64, string, array. Accessing key and value is faster because it is hash table kind of data structure and use hashing for accessing and storing the key. We can use make function or shorthand operator for creating the map. For iterating, we can use range form of for loop. Let us jump on VS Code. Hello friends, I have already created file map.go and we are going to follow following steps. First we are going to declaring and initializing the map. So we are going to take string as a key and integer as a value. So how can we declare and initialize map? Where b equal to map of string int. Here we can give string as a key, a value as a int, colon 1, b colon 2, c colon 3, comma is mandatory in the last. How can this achieve using shorthand operator? Very simple, we can copy and paste the code. Just we can remove the where and we can use C shorthand operator. We can use make function to create the map. How can we use make function to create the map? That make map. What kind of map I want to create? String and int. We will assign it into a d variable. Now we can initialize using b is string a equal to 1, b equal to 2, dc equal to 3. Now we can print abc and d, format.println, a we have not taken, bc and d we have taken, b equal to b, c equal to c, d equal to b. Now we can use range form of for loop. So for it will return key and value. So we can say k comma b equal to range. We can give name of map b. We can print format.println k comma b. If we want to search any key from map, we can just find key. So suppose I am x equal to, if I want to find a key value in d, so d a, it will return value of key a. So we can print x also. So our code is ready. Now we can run. Go run map.go. 26, 20. Okay, we don't require this comma. Now, if you will check, V value is A key, 1 value B key, 2 value C key, 3 value. Same for C and D. And we have used the range form of for loop. So key is A, value is 1, key is B, value is 2, key is C, value is 3. And X is equal to 1, which we have searched from map. Now, two more concepts. If I am declaring map where A map string int, it is a nil map, so we cannot initialize it. If we will try to initialize it, it will give error. So if I will take ax equal to 1 and I will try to run the program, it will give the error. Assignment to entry in nil map. So we can initialize map two times, when we are creating or using shorthand operator, or we can create using make function and then we can initialize. Now second thing, if in Go I don't want to take any value, I can replace it using underscore. So if I don't want to take the key, I can replace it using underscore. So it will work fine. It will ignore the first value. Okay, A is declared not used. In Go, we cannot leave any variable declared and we are not using anywhere in the program. So we need to comment A. Yeah, now it is working fine. So if we want to ignore any value, we can use underscore, but we cannot ignore both the values. So if I will give here underscore, here also it will give the error. If I want to any one of the value ignore, I can use underscore for any value. When I am searching any key, it will return two value. Let us take those two value x and y. Let me print x and y. So x equal to 1 and y equal to true. X equal to 1 means value of key. Y is key exist or not. So suppose I want to check if a key exists or not. If I will give a wrong key, like suppose ABC, so it will print false. I am getting wrong value and Y is returning key doesn't exist. So our code is running fine. Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.